Nice and smooth, Trevor. Nice and easy. There you go, buddy. Nice and easy. 1, 2, and 3. Oh. Oh, come on, Sean. Let's get Sean back on there. Good job, good job. Go get him, Sean.
Nice, Tony.
Zach is fast. He's by himself. Can Sean catch him? And we got Tim.
Tony's consistent. Just stay consistent.
Tony's right up there
After
too.
45 seconds, the top drivers are Zach Zollner in first place with a 20-lap.
All right, we got Tony,
5:01.1
Sean,
pace,
Zach, Tim, and
followed by
Trevor.
Tony Gagne in second place
Nice
with
and
a
smooth,
20-lap
Sean.
5:06.4 pace, followed by Sean Lemieux in third place with a
Do your thing,
19-lap
Sean.
5:02.1 pace.
I try and follow the action.
There you go, that boy. All right, we got Tony, Sean, Zach, Tim, and Trevor. You got 3:40 to go.
After 1 minute
father and
31
son right here.
seconds, the top drivers are Tony Gagne in first place with a 19-lap 5:07
Nice
flat
and easy,
pace,
Trevor.
followed by Sean Lemieux in second place with a 19-lap 5:12.5 pace, followed by Zach Zollner in third place with a 19-lap 5:13.5
All right, we still got Tony,
pace.
Sean, Zach, and Tim, and Trevor. Can Sean catch him? Zach's right on his back door.
Tony staying nice. Staying up.
Nice racing, guys.
Wow.
Nice racing. Uh-oh, there goes the leader
Excellent.
bobble. Zach is a
oh.
little. There you go, Sean. There's your break, buddy.
The top drivers are
Tony and Zach
Gagne in
Bobble,
first
my
place
guys.
with a 19-lap 5:10
Team
Nice
Ray.
and tight. This is a tight group. 1, 2, and 3. Good racing.
Excellent.
Good racing.
Just
These guys are doing a
clean.
good job.
Excellent. He's right.
Followed by Zach Zollner in third
World
place
class
with a
racing.
19-lap
When you make sure
5:14.5
that you let
pace.
somebody pass, if they're passing you, and you don't tangle, that's great racing.
Oh, nice pass. Nice patient.
Oh,
Oh,
back
Sean
the
gets
other
it
way.
back. Come on, Zach. Get back up there. Good
Wow,
job, guys.
epic.
Sean and Zach, a nice clean racing here.
Tony's out.
Tony, he's leaving the pack.
Because they're
Sean catch
fighting.
him.
Because they're fighting each other. There it is. They're fighting each other.
Marshall. Oh, poor Zach.
Oh,
3 minutes, 1
Sean.
second.
Nice.
The top
Skills.
drivers are Tony Gagne in
There's
first
Tony.
place with a 19-lap
See?
5:13.5
Go,
pace,
Tony. Tony needs
followed
this.
by Sean
Tony
Lemieux
needs
Look at
this
him, nice and
clean
smooth,
racing.
Sean.
19-lap
Come on.
Just like the last race.
5:16.4 pace, followed by
Oh,
Zach
there's
Zollner
lap
in
traffic
third place
here.
with a
Gotta watch
18-lap
out, Sean.
5:0.3 pace.
Nice job, Trevor, letting him go. Good job right there, buddy. If that was your father, he would have took me out. Come on, Zach.
Wow, Zach's gaining. Zach bobbled, but
120
Zach's
to
gaining.
go.
I don't know if he's got it. Come on, Sean.
Go get him,
Sean and
Sean.
Tony.
After
Actually,
3 minutes 47 seconds,
Tony's my buddy. Tony needs
top
to win.
drivers are Tony
Go,
Gagne
Tony.
in
Power.
first place
Go,
with a
Tony.
19-lap
Go, Tony.
5:15.1 pace.
Show him team
Go,
screen
Tony.
power,
Go,
Sean.
Tony.
in
Go,
second
Tony.
place with a
Go,
18-lap
go,
5:01.4
Tony.
pace,
Go,
followed
go,
by Zach
Tony.
Zollner in third place with an 18-lap
Yeah.
5:04.6
Yeah.
pace.
Slaying it. Slaying the laps. Fuck yeah, Tony. Excuse my language. Yes. Yes, this is the kind of lead
You got
you
Tony,
need.
he's leading the
Just take
way.
your time. Take
Tony's
your
up
time.
front. Sean, Zach, Tim, and
Take
Trevor
your
with
time.
35 seconds to go.
Nice and easy.
35 seconds to go, guys. Keep
Oh,
it clean.
Sean's
Keep
gaining.
it smooth.
Sean's gaining. Must be close.
After 4 minutes 32 seconds, the top drivers are Tony Gagne in first place
Oh,
with
he
a
bobbled
Yes.
a little bit, Sean. Nice
Go,
and smooth,
Tony.
buddy.
Even.
followed by Sean
Oh!
Lemieux in second place with the 18-lap 5:0.5 pace, followed by Zach Zollner.
All right, you got 10 seconds to go.
That's it. We got him. Trying to catch Sean in here so you can see the finish. Nope, I think Tony's got it.
Zach is coming.
Sean Sean Lemieux done.
Sean's done.
Zach Zollner done.
Zach is done. You got Tony taking his victory lap here. Wait for Tim and Trevor.
Tim Anderson done.
Tim is done.
Anderson done.
Yeah.
Trevor is done. Tony's done. Good job, Tony. Takes that down. Sean in second.
Transponder
Zach third. Tim and Trevor. Good racing, guys.